That's like a boomerang right there. What do you guys eat for breakfast?
Yeah.
Let us know.
Or what kind of breakfast do you eat for dinner?
That's right.
Is it as good as this one? Probably not.
Hey guys, welcome back to
What the Food.
Today, Perry's gonna be making something awesome.
Yes, we call it Khao Tom Talay, which is a rice soup with seafood.
Yeah, actually a lot of people eat it for breakfast. Basically, it's the Thai version of congee, and you can make it with any type of protein you want. But today's choice is seafood.
Yes, a lot of seafood. It's gonna be so good.
It's gonna be delicious.
We got fish, we got mussel, we got shrimps, we got calamari.
Yeah.
It's so good.
I'm excited because we're not making puny, small, diet-sized portions. We're gonna
be
making
a giant one.
Like starving for a week-size portion. Yeah, it's gonna be really good.
Yeah,
It's gonna be really good, and I'm excited to see how it's gonna turn out.
Yep,
so,
we will finish everything by the end of the day.
For this dish, you're gonna choose your protein, and here we have a lot of seafood.
Then you're gonna prepare the Chinese celery, scallion, and cilantro. Make sure you chop them finely and set them aside. You are going to use them to garnish at the ends. On the left hand side, you have lemongrass, galangal, ginger, and Kaffir Lime leaves, which you will use to boil the seafood. On the other hand, you have ginger, galangal, cilantro, and scallion roots, which you will use to put in the chicken stock. The next item is the Chinese preserved veggies. You are going to use that for your soup. Make sure you rinse it a few times because they tend to get salty. So after you finish rinsing the preserved veggie, you can put some on the side just like the one in the video.
And on the right hand side, we have our fried crispy garlic in oil. And if you're interested in learning how to make it, stay tuned for our next video.
Alright, here you have some chicken stock. You want to add some ginger, cilantro, scallion roots, and galangal. And then you want to bring it to boil. Then you want to add some fish sauce. You add about a tablespoon to 2. It depends on how much broth you have and how salty your fish sauce is. Then you also want to add some mushroom soy sauce for about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons as well. And you want to add some pepper at the end. For more information about Thai sauces, please click on the link below.
In a separate pot, we're gonna bring some water to a boil, throw some galangal, lemongrass, and Kaffir Lime leaves in, and we're gonna use this water to boil the seafood. Once the water begins to boil, you can go ahead and add in your protein, in this case, all of our delicious seafood.
Yes! Oh my god, that's so good! Alright, once you're done with the seafood, you're gonna put some rice in a bowl. Usually you put it in a smaller bowl and you can assemble them, but we're just too greedy. We just add a bunch of things in there. Right. So yeah, add all the seafood on top of your rice, garnish with the veggies. You can't really miss the Chinese celery. Well, actually you can't miss anything because they're all very good.
And when things could not get better, we're gonna boil some eggs and slice it in half and top it as garnish.
Exactly. What the food, right?
Why not be spontaneous?
Yeah, so at the end you want to end it with some Chinese preserved veggies and deep fried garlic.
Yep, and don't forget about pouring that delicious broth on top.
And enjoy! So, yep, this is it. We're gonna eat, we're gonna dig in. It's gonna be so good. Look how big this portion is. The question for today is if we can finish this all on our own. Yeah, we'll see. So let's dig in. Awesome. So now I'm gonna get some rice at the bottom. Yeah. Here, I'll get you some rice. Thank you. So Kao Tom is almost like the Thai version of congee, except it's more. It has more of a broth. Mmm. No, let me see. I don't know how it tastes yet, but. Oh my God, so good. So good. That looks so good. I'm sure it tastes hella good.
It is so good. You know why? Because you taste the seafood, you taste the herbs that she put in there. So we have, what kind of seafood we have here?
Oh my god.
It's really good, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
She put shrimp, she put fish, you put mussels, and also some calamari too.
Mm-hmm.
It's so good. It's very aromatic too.
No, it's so good. Oh my god. Can we finish this?
We're gonna try.
Well, we have to finish it. We don't waste food here. Oh my god, shrimp is... Let me see. We're gonna eat it the Thai way, using my hand. Shrimp is so good. Mm-hmm.
อร่อยมากชอบ This is totally doable. It's a big bowl, but I think we can finish it. We've been working all day. It's been a busy day at work. It's about to go down.
Hey, let's eat the fish.
Okay.
There you go.
That's like a boomerang right there. A lot of people eat this. Yeah, fly that deal. A lot of people eat this for breakfast too.
So basically, this is a
Wow, this one's really good.
salted fish. So they dry it. I think they pickle in salt, right? And they sun dry it. And we deep fry it.
How would you describe this? It's more meaty, right?
You can eat the bone.
Can you?
No, it's crispy. I eat the bone.
I'm about to choke. She's about to have to do some type of Heimlich. What do you guys eat for breakfast?
Yeah.
Let us know.
Or what kind of breakfast do you eat for dinner?
That's right. This beef pancake.
Is it as good as this one? Probably not.
It's actually, I think it's pretty easy to make, right? And Perry did a great job.
I think we cooked it in like, what? Half an hour?
Yeah, not too long.
Yeah, took me like half an hour.
It's like once you have everything prepared, all the vegetables chopped.
You chop everything, maybe even 15 minutes. You just have to boil everything.
Everything's already all set. You just have to put everything into a bowl and assemble it. And
in Thailand, when we eat noodle soup, or rice soup like that, we like to add a little bit of crispy side dishes.
There's a textural
element. The pork rind, you add it in a lot of soup and it's the best thing in the world.
It's so good, guys.
Is there more egg?
Yeah.
Is there more egg?
I took 2. Look at me how greedy I am. I'm so freaking greedy.
Let me eat another one. Earlier I asked you if you want one egg. You said no.
Well, technically this is 1 egg. I have 1/2 already.
We finished this.
I'm so full.
Hey, at least my heart is happy.
My heart is very happy.
I'm okay.
It was delicious. There was just so many flavors going on, so many good flavors.
I think I overate. It's okay. Once in a while we'll overeat for you guys.
This is a lower caption, regret. Just kidding.
I feel sorry for you guys if you guys are watching at like midnight and you're hungry and you want a snack, but man, I'm sorry for you guys because this is so good.
Look at this. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's just like a little bit of broth in there.
If you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to follow us for our next video.
Yeah, let us know what you thought about this video, what you eat for breakfast, or what you like to. So.
Yeah, follow us for our next video to learn how to make the garlic oil. Stay tuned.
Alright, see you guys next time.
Bye. You know what Mark Wayne would do? He would literally grab his bowl and just drink from it.
I was telling Perry that we should have done the Mark Ween while we were trying it. You know, that crazy head pose he be doing all the time in his videos.
Hey, we love him. We love Mark Wayne.
Yeah. Idol status.